The Port Washington Public Library's Art Advisory Council is proud to present the paintings of Hiromitsu Kuroo. We were positively intrigued with his exploration of origami, the traditional Japanese art of folding paper, through a unique manipulation of acrylic, canvas, and bleach. With this process, Mr. Kuroo has created an array of modern paintings that are the result of simple, folded, repetitive canvas patterns and shapes. Rejecting the rigid and competitive world of his youth, Hiromitsu Kuroo embraced the artistic world, where creativity, individuality, and self-expression are held in high esteem. Being a Japanese expatriate in New York, Kuroo struggles with his cultural identity and his current New York existence. Through his work, he attempts to bridge the two very different worlds. Born in Yokohama, Japan, Kuroo is a collage painter working in the tradition of origami. In his case, the canvas serves as the paper, and the gentle manipulation of its surface is how he conveys intricate textural landscapes. The multiple layers of colors in his folded canvases are revealed by sanding the canvas surface. Interested in the juxtaposition and vitality of collaged pieces of canvas, he uses them to accentuate their other emerging shapes in his composition. Painting number 139 is one of his early paintings from 2007, where the folding pattern extends outside the rectangular border.
Invented in the 17th century, the ancient art form of origami has, since its inception, been regarded as a fundamental Eastern art form. As patterned origami paper became more readily accessible and distributed throughout other parts of the world, origami techniques and how-tos increased the art form's popularity in many non-Eastern countries, including the United States. Ori, meaning folding, and kami, meaning paper, the practice has been translated by contemporary artists in new and distinct ways. Forbes magazine contributing editor Nadia Sai, who writes about the crossover between high art and pop culture, explains that Kuroo's art fuses together modern art with origami simplicity and minimalism. In an interview with the artist, Kuroo states that folding as an expression is difficult to express in a round shape or curve because it is a straight line. To make up for it, I need to think carefully about design, sketch, calculated size, and make many prototypes. The concept of my work is not how to make a beautiful, perfect circle or complicated shape. I really treasure how to show the process and traces in the canvas of my work. I am very attracted to repetitive design of the same form. It might be because there were several scarf dyeing factories near my birthplace. I grew up watching many beautiful repeating patterns since I was a child. The idea of the current work is influenced from here. In addition, the repeating shapes and colors in my ideas can be obtained from everyday life, such as nature, scenery in the city, conversation with people, reading, and listening to music. I put my ideas into a visible form while making origami. I keep the shape as simple as possible. There are patterns that neatly align, random or perspective among the repeated patterns. I select the best folding patterns from that.
Painting number 150 from 2008 is a painting that explores the movement by taking the viewer's eye on a visual journey through a field of arrow shapes. Painting number 248 is a painting from 2016 where Mr. Kuroo continues to explore the surface of the canvas by manipulating folded squares that continue to travel beyond the traditional rectangular canvas, even more so than his painting from 2007. Painting number 259 from 2017 is a painting that further develops the outer perimeter of the canvas by creating a layered, folded design that becomes an octagon. The bleach paintings from 2020. Sometimes events cause an artist to seek a new direction. The coronavirus has influenced Mr. Kuroo's art this year. He was no longer able to work in his spacious studio. Therefore, he started working on smaller paintings in his apartment with the materials that were available to him. His bleach and acrylic images are the result of this new direction. The Art Advisory Council would like to thank the committee members who collaborated on this exhibit: Christy Devereaux, Betty Gimbel, Shelley Snyder, Linda Sandman, Patty Paris, and Alan Fishkind. Thank you.